Hello and welcome to this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. This is going to be a midweek analysis, and in this analysis we are going to look at both the indices Nifty as well as Bank Nifty and how they are expected to perform in coming couple of days. Okay, so let us start quickly with the analysis part. If you recollect, in the last Market Kya Lagta Hai video, I had categorically suggested that market currently is moving between this 21st September high till 19,500 low. So this is the range that we are maintaining so far, and even today the market has not been able to cross above this 19,850 level and has again fall back to the range part. Now this move in a way is very strange, and the majority of the moves are happening in gaps during the opening of the market. Now today's move, today's selling or a sell-off, sharp sell-off has come as a surprise, but at the same time there was no previous follow-up to these charts. So we have not entered into any kind of a short trade or a long trade to counter during the day or intraday kind of positions. Let us quickly go and take a look at the day's message. So today is Wednesday, 18th of October. We have mentioned about Nifty range may be 19,700 to 20,000 and Bank Nifty range may be 44,000 to 45,000. So currently Bank Nifty is trading at the low of the range at 43,900, which has also acted as a strong support. Friday's high and low can be considered as a range for the day till there is a breakout or breakdown. Once Nifty trades above 19,800, natural target may be 19,845 and 19,940. Out of that, the target of 19,845 was completed during yesterday's session. While Bank Nifty is underperforming, the target of 44,500 is acting as a resistance. The trending move may be there once we get close above 44,570. So current scenario, it will be sell on rise kind of a market unless the status quo changes to a new breakout or a bullish breakout kind of a scenario. One must focus on the price action and follow up, preferably keep trades limited to intraday is what my morning message is. And the follow up I am suggesting in this week's Market Kya Lagta Hai video, I suggested to keep positions intraday only. Option buyer must wait for a breakout so as to get better trending move. If the momentum is missing, keep TSL near the cost or move out of the trade. The purpose of option trading is to make most of the momentum. If the momentum is not there, we cannot enter the trade. But even though there was a momentum during today's move, so this was a move, there was a ferocious momentum in the second hourly candle. Still at this point in time, I did not took any kind of a intraday trades. Now we are in a range, again we are still within this particular range. I'll just drag it outside. So we are still in the range in a way. Okay, and currently it seems that Nifty is taking support at this 50% level of 19,667, and from this level we are certainly bouncing. Now if we take a look at this entire scenario, I'll just remove these targets. Okay, if we take a look at this scenario, overall scenario, there is a possibility, there is a probability that Nifty may be printing a high, a low and a lower high over here, and that precisely is the reason why I suggested that a high and low of this Friday will be important. Unless and until this high is taken out, which is 19,800, and a low on the same day is 19,635. So unless and until this high or low taken out, this will be in a range bound scenario. The range is also there from the September 21st to 9th of October. The low is 19,500. So this is again a 350 point range, which is where Nifty is stuck, but Nifty is exhibiting kind of outperformance as compared to Bank Nifty. So that part is also we cannot neglect. So right now it is a sideways kind of a move that is happening. unless and until there is a breakout above 19,820 or a breakdown below 19,500. These are the scenarios where it is difficult to trade. The next trade possibly will be if we get a bearish follow-up to this particular candle, then and only then there can be a possibility of a bearish trade. Because we are trading at the high of the range, it becomes difficult for a bullish positions to be created before the trade or the price actually breaks out. So that is something that one needs to keep in mind. In last market क्या लगता है video, I had categorically explained that the moves which are taking place in current market scenario, these are random. There is a gap down, there is a gap up opening, and then there is a ferocious selling, or here is the gap up opening, or again a gap up opening and a selling that is happening. Then there is a huge gap down, huge gap up. All these things are happening in a random way. So this is a tricky phase wherein if you do not adhere to the discipline part, you are going to lose a lot of money and it will be difficult for you to maintain that profitable streak. It is wise on some such days to take a break, watch the market from outside and do not participate into active or aggressive trading. This is something very simple and easy to do. Another important aspect, if we take a look in Bank Nifty first target of 44,674, this got completed, and today again we are sitting at a support level of 43,900. So from this 43,900 support level, which is below the range, this level becomes very important, because if you can see, this is one level which has been supporting Bank Nifty since a very long period of time, probably since 16th, 17th of August till today. So that like August, September and October, for the last 3 months, Nifty is being supported by this level of 43,900. So if this level is broken, then we can comfortably expect a target of as much as probably 2,000 points from this level. This is absolutely no-brainer kind of a scenario. If we break below this, then there's going to be another 2,000 points target from here. Now, having said this, we have to observe this action carefully. Even though Bank Nifty is showing a very weak bias, Nifty is stronger index, so probability is always with this stronger index. So this is the period where we should watch cautiously how the trades are actually taking place, and if there is a breakout below 43,900 or a breakdown below 43,900, that breakdown can be traded with a stop loss of 43,900 on, let's say, hourly closing basis. So then it becomes a more tangible kind of a trade. And similarly for Nifty as well, I have mentioned that if we get a follow up to this candle, then and only then we can comfortably trade it. As long as Nifty is well within this particular range, don't expect a very fierce kind of a moment. Once Nifty break out above 19,820, then and only then we'll be able to see some kind of a fierce move in Nifty, and then in that case probably Bank Nifty will also go with that. This current phase, we do not have spectacular targets, or we do not have a very trending kind of a move, so it becomes, at times it becomes difficult to understand what exactly is happening in both these indices. But this is the period a trader should keep calm and observe market more and trade less, so that it becomes easier for us to keep sanity about how the market is trading, and then and only then we'll be able to find trades with a smaller stop loss. That's it from me for this week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.